Hi guys, how are you all? As you know, we are making a series on Kotlin Basics for beginners, and in our last video, we have learnt about polymorphism, how you can use it, how you can create a parent class, and how you can create functions as open, and how you can use those in child class. So today we are going to learn about abstract class, abstract functions, and how we can use it in Kotlin. So for this, let's get started with the same example with the polymorphism. And in this, we have a shape class, and we have a child class as circle, and we have a child class as square, which is inherited from the shape class. So let's start with the abstract functions, how you can define abstract functions and why we need it. So guys, as you can see here, we have a class shape. In this, we have defined a function area, and this area, so for example, if we uh, think about, like, if someone asks you get a area of a particular shape, without knowing the shape you cannot define its area because you don't know what kind of shape it is. And in this as well, we have given the area as it is returning 0.0, which is not an area, which is like empty area. So what is an abstract function? So basically, when you define an abstract function, so when you don't know the how the body is going to be, you don't like, for example, you don't know what complete body of a function will be, then we define abstract function. Because we know when this shape class is going to be inherited in a circle, then you can define its area. So at the time you don't know what the area will be, so at that time we define abstract functions or abstract classes. So here we don't know the area, so what we can do is, let's define this function as abstract. So another property is that all the abstract functions are open function basically. So when we define it as abstract, what it is giving us the error, it is giving like a function area with body cannot be abstract. So the first property of a function, abstract function, is that it cannot be having the body. So let's remove the body. Right, we have removed the body. And another, still it is giving us error. Let's check what the error it is giving. Abstract function area in non abstract class shape. So you can only define abstract functions in an abstract class. So we have to define abstract class as a class shape as an abstract class. Okay, so we have it. Now you will see it is giving us an error, cannot create an instance of an abstract class. So this is the valid error, because we don't know the definition of the functions in abstract class. Basically this is still is an abstract class is an incomplete class, so we cannot create an object of a shape class, basically an abstract class. We cannot instantiate an abstract class. So now we have this abstract function. And yeah, so for overriding this, you don't need to do anything else. You can simply override these functions as we have done it. Let's try making display function as an abstract function. So what's the error it is giving? A function display with the body cannot be abstract. So first of all, we need to remove the body here. And now you will see child classes are also giving us some error. So what's the error? Class circle is not abstract, and does not implement the abstract class member. So it has one of the thing is, when you uh, inherit a class from an abstract class, then whichever functions which are abstract, you must need to override them in the child classes, because only then these can be implemented. For example, only then you can define the body of these functions. So these are required functions. So first of all, it is giving us the error, and let's click on implement member and display. You will get it here. So we can define the body as print circle is displayed. Yeah, So same, if we are getting the error in square as well, let's implement here as well. So yeah, we can simply say print and square is displayed. Sorry. Yeah. So we have implemented display in both of the functions, and we have created this class as abstract, and we have defined abstract functions. So we can simply try. We have created a object of circle dot display. We can try with this, and let me run it. Yeah, we can see circle is displayed. This is, I have tried, and you can simply try with scale as well. So guys, what we learned from this, that uh, in an abstract class, first of all, an abstract class is an incomplete class, which its functions are going to be like implemented in child classes, and only then they can define, you can define the body. And another thing is, you cannot instantiate this abstract class. Its instance cannot be, its object cannot be created, its instance cannot be created. And an abstract class can have both abstract functions as well as non-abstract functions. So you can define function display to uh, you can define another function which we don't need to override until you have not given it an abstract. You can have open function as well, and you can have abstract function as well in abstract class. And if you have the abstract function in a class, only you can define abstract function in a class when this class as abstract. Another thing, if you want a class not to be not to be instantiated, you can define it as abstract class. And sorry, you can define it as an abstract class, and you can define any function here, and which then you nobody can create instance of that particular class. So in this way you can also use it. So guys, this is all about abstract class and how you can use it. Do let me know how you like this video, and we will learn more about Kotlin in our next video. Till then guys, cheers, bye, keep learning.